Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video and subscribe. You can meet us by dropping your email, or you call us with 00344959990. Anyhow you want to do it. Now I'm on topology, and this is continuation of the first video. Because of our time, we have to cut some parts out of the video, which are topology, concept of topology. That's what I'm talking about, and I'm talking about basic concepts of set theorem to topology. Now I've explained all what you need to explain on I need to explain on set and the concept of topology. Now at this point, this is what remains on set. The first one, different of set. The second one, complement of a set, and the last one, interval. After this, we'll now move on to definition of topology in set, which will be our next video. It means on this video, I'll be working on these three things: different of a set, complement of a set, and interval of a set. Now, don't forget, I'm referring to topology, and topology is an advanced topic which you always meet it in the final year of your school or at master's level. Now, but I'm just trying to do introduction to it. Now, let me talk about the different of a set. I'm referring to different of set. Now, A and B denoted by, it means when I'm talking about different of a set, it will be denoted by what? A minus B, which means S belongs to A, and B did not belongs to, S did not belongs to B. That is the difference of the set. Now, if it is like this, B minus A, it means S, that is to say, S belongs to B and S did not belongs to A. Okay, take note of that. For example, like if I want to explain to somebody that is not a mathematician like me, now it means if my A, for instance, my A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are sets of A, and my B, I have it as 4, 5, and 4 and 5. Now, if I ask you A minus B, it will be equals to A minus B. I will minus this from here. I will minus this from here. That is my A minus B. It means the remaining will be 1, 2, 3. That is all. 1, 2, 3. Now, if it is B minus A, now that is when the story will change. B minus A. Now, what is my B minus A? What I will just do is there anything you can minus from B? There's nothing. Become empty, which is, we call it something like this, is an empty set. Nothing to be empty. Now, that's nothing to show for that. That is what I mean by different of a two set. Now, let me move on to the next one, which I will call it complement of a set. Now, complement of a set. Complement of a set is denoted by denoted. How do I call? Denoted by A complement or A prime, any of the two. Now, if I have something like this, it means complement. Now, in interpretation to to layman, it means, okay, it means, what I mean is that for instance, before I talk about a complement, or this particular set, we will be note that it will involve universal, which universal can be set of natural number. That's for natural numbers. Now, if my A is set of odd numbers. Now, look at me. My A complement will be equals to universal minus set A, which equals to set of even number. Even numbers. Now, can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see the relationship between complement and different of the sets? That is what I mean by what? That is what I mean by. Now, another one that is very, very important to topology. Very, very important to topology. Please, this is very, very important to topology because it's what, and it will be the last part of this introduction. I mean, a concept of basic concept of set is interval. Now, interval, very important to topology. Please take it of this area very well. It's a course that okay, under reanalysis you will know about this more. Now, when we talk about interval, for any two real numbers, A and B, it means A less than B. That is very, very important. A less than B. This one I will explain 4 things here. The first one, open. The second one, close. The third one will be semi-close. Semi-open and semi-close. Take note of this very, very well. Now, if I should explain this very well to someone, it means I'm talking about this is a set of real number. Now, I pick this one as my 0, which is my origin. Okay. Now, if A and B, they are positive, it means it will belong to positive. This can be A, this can be B. Now, that is the interpretation. This is A and this is B. Now, if I should explain close now, if it is open, let me start from open. Open interval. Open interval. Now, from A to B, it is denoted by A, B. It is denoted by A, B. Now, interpretation, it is open. It means this and this are not in the element. This and this are not in the element. Now, to normally, if I want to explain it to the lay person, as in somebody that does not understand mathematics very well, I'll be using A, B is an open, which is equal to be S, that is to say, A less than S less than B. That is the interpretation. A less than S less than B. Now, when you have something like this, is an open interval. Now, let me quickly explain what is called closed interval. Closed interval. Now, when we talk about closed interval, now from A to B is denoted by now this is closed interval. Now it means at this point it is closed when I have it in this form A, B. It means my S, that is to say A less than equals to S less than equals to what? B. That is the interpretation. It means A and B are member of the set. But in the first one, A and B are not member of the set. Take note of that very well. The next one, I will be explaining semi-open. Semi-open. Now, semi-open, it means include. Okay, let me quickly. This is how it always be. Semi-open is always this is how it always be. Okay, it means A and close below. Now, interpretation means what? It means my that is to say x A less than x less than equals to B. Less than x and less than equals to B. Now, the last one is that yes, that is the interval from A to B. There will be interval from A to B anyway. The last one will be semi, which is the fourth one, semi close. Semi close is just like we are having something like this, A comma B, which it will be equals to A. That is to say, A less than equals to B less than X less than B. That is semi. Yes, that is that. Now, all this I've explained right from the previous video to now, they are so important to topology. I'll be stopping here. They are basic concepts of topology, the set, the notion, and every other thing. And okay, in my next video, I will explain definition of topology and definition of with example and definition of topological space. Okay, don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Once again, thanks for watching. Okay,